Hey everybody, welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with ruthierocks Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. And today we have a special guest, John Cummins from Ogvo out of Seattle, Washington, a marketing company, and we are going to talk about how you can become the agent of choice in your market instead of the agent of chance through some optimization, through being able to be found online, and also getting reviews that people leave from who've used your service, and then helping you rank higher in the search engine. So we welcome John to the show. But before we get to John, Ruth, what is happening in real estate?
Oh, it's always popping here. Let me put you all in the lobby, and so everybody can see. Whoops, did the wrong one. I'm good at that. Okay, here we go. We're down to 18 days of inventory, and don't panic, everybody, because our single family home number went up. It was, I think, 1884 down to 1833 earlier in the week. So it popped up to 1,911 single family homes. The reason why we have 18 days of inventory is because we're selling 145 homes a day, but we listed 148 yesterday. And so it's all good. It's all good. We put 110 under contract and we closed 159. So the agents out there are working hard, 145 sales a day. Now, last March, you haven't beat last March. Last March, we were doing 160 homes a day being sold. So that's what's happening there. We haven't outpaced last year yet, but you never know. The springtime is coming. So we see more and more listings. We listed 37 homes yesterday that were 436,000 or under, for a total of 477 homes in that bracket, which that's about 25% of the market. So that's really good. Now, my one arrow on the right shows that the $1 million loans are catching up with last year. We're doing $4 million sales a day. And we were down in the low threes in the beginning of the year, but it's ramping up every day. It inches up a little bit more. And I'll tell you why it's going to continue to inch up. Right there, the available $1 million homes on the market today are 415. And that is a great number because it's increasing, meaning that the $1 million home sellers are putting their homes on the market. And they are flying off the shelf too. So that's a good thing. The market is so active and churning. The investors are buying 45 homes a day. And the secret there is, if you have investors, you need to call them up and tell them that rents have increased to maybe $1.60 a square foot. And a couple years ago, they were 85 cents a square foot. So investors are making more money, more cash flow. And that's why that is a brisk market. And let me tell you all, it isn't going to change. There is a report out in today's paper that says, after growing fast for decades, Clark County's population is now expected to grow by 1 million people by 2060. Amazing. Now, if you look back when I came to town in 1987, there were 350,000 people, and it has grown to 2.3, I believe it is. And that is tremendous growth. And so if you've been in the real estate market, been in the investing market for the past years, it's amazing. It's amazing. This town it's just always bursting. It's just amazing. We were the #1 foreclosure capital in the world. And so that was in 2008. And that turned many people into millionaires because they bought homes then. And now their appreciation has just really increased.